guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give my kids some extraordinary gift. I'm going to give them this box. This is a box of goodies, and I'm going to ask them to wrap up some gifts for the kids from our neighbors. So I guess teaching them to give is the best thing you can give to your kids. So let's start. Come on, kids, dali na. This is Mimi, our cousin. Come on, help Mimi. Let's wrap some gifts for goodies para sa mga kids. Alright, so those are the mga goodies. This is just worth 1,000. So, ang dami na mabibili sa 1,000. I think we can make around 30 packs or 50. Ano, depending. Going to use this paper bag and then... Okay, start guys. Doing, Doc?
I'm writing dedications for them.
Oh. Okay, greet them a Merry Christmas. You're sealing them off? Sealing them up? Or... What are you doing, Mimi? Eating? Come on, help me. Alright guys, it's done. We've made a total of 45 packs, and we're going to distribute. I'm going to help the kids distribute this I'm going to help the kids distribute this on Christmas Day. Thank you guys. Total of 45 packs. Wow. Nice.